So guys, as na dey see am na the Umuahia to Onuimo road construction site. Now I dey like this. Now they for inside tricycle. You understand? They try show now how far we say this road don't come. Honestly, serious work they go on here. The last time I come here, waiting I see they don't progress from and pass like far. They are really trying their best here on this road. The engineers, the contractors, the workers, all of them. They hear them now. I then carry sand they pass so. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and notification bell above, so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. Thanks.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is gate in Onuimo. I want to know easy gate, easy gate. So I want to show you guys what is actually happening here. You can see that this place is now well organized, unlike before that it was so crowded, nobody to control anything. But now people that are selling, you see them, they are just beside the road. They are no longer clustering, blocking the whole road. This place now, traffic, no, they damn again. Street lights, I say street lights, traffic lights don't even stay there to make sure say movement for here no can be like before. So all this side now are cooperative, all this side now they pass through, they drive through now cooperative. Now you can notice say they don't put something like demarcation, I mean a barrier where they use divide the road into two. Now so it's supposed to be one lane supposed to be going, make the other lane be coming back. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. See, the barrier is very thick, it chops cement where. So if the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. Now you can see the drainage over here, it has been covered. You see, one thing about this administration, we say you know go see them build drainage, we say open drainage, they cover the drainage because now so it's supposed to be. So very soon now we'll go reach Okpara Square. For that Okpara Square now you go see fountain, now water fountain, you go see them for Okpara Square here now. From Okpara Square now we enter the 6-lane road where they call Agui Irosi Boulevard. The road, this road now what they apply through now, they work and finish last year. They finished constructing or reconstructing this road last year. And this is the first of its kind in Onuimo. The first 6-lane road you have in Onuimo. Now in be this, now they drive through. So but no be the reason we make me do this video. The reason why they do this video now to show now, to give you an update on the Abia Tower stroke Onuimo, road construction where they go on. You understand? So watch this video down to the end. No just watch 3 minutes, 4 minutes. This one now, just the reason you say watch this video like at least 7-8 minutes or even 10 minutes. Make you use your eyes, see waiting they go on for Abia Tower down to Onuimo. If you never touch the subscribe button, I beg just touch the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. As you watch and to tell me what you think about Onuimo now. You understand? You go see work they go on. Our able governor they try. Honestly, when we tell ourselves the truth, it really they try. So you go see this 6-lane road now, by the time where you go join, because of course now we don't enter the Abia Tower stroke Onuimo road construction or reconstruction. Now this road now where they see now, before I'd always talk for my videos now say now 2-lane now it be, but now the able governor now can turn them into 4-lane, can expand them join, so that movement here will be serere with. You understand? Or yeah, Muna just watch them. Just they watch them. You never see anything, And you see say start the day here before they don't peel everything off. Work start afresh. You understand? So you never see anything here to just watch the video with the watch and they go like I've been tell you, watch it 7 minutes to 10 minutes or thereabout. Make you know how far we be say work don't really go on for this Abia Tower stroke Onuimo road. Will be say the governor of Abia State, they reconstruct, they expand for the benefit of the people of Abia State, and not just having the Abia State, Nigeria at large, because people we know from Abia State too go they pass through this road. Now anybody will be say the entire Abia State now through this Onuimo axis, the person go really know say okay, now state where they walk, now in the enter, so you understand. abeg, if you never subscribe just click the subscribe. Na free, as I dey mention na, me no fit say na free of charge. The reason why you go subscribe be say so that anytime wey I drop video, and also the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop video like this, you go know say okay, I don drop video. You understand? You just get one notification for your phone, that one you go know say, oh man, video don drop. So guys, una watch, una tell me wetin una think about this road. Una think say they speedily dey do the road? Una think say the work dey slow? Well, for me wey dey go here every time, I go tell say the work no slow. E no slow at all. In fact, e dey fast if you ask me. But now una sabi, na una tell me for comment section.